Hi Brisbane, Adam here from Cycling Surgery at Rochedale South. Today we're just going to go a quick tutorial on how to change a flat tyre. It may sound simple to most, but we do find a lot of customers have trouble finding to change the tyre or tube on the trail. So we're just going to go a quick run through. Tools you need, tyre levers and CO2. So these little hooks that you can see on tyre levers, if anyone's ever wondered what they're for, they actually, when you use the tyre lever and you put it under the tyre, this little hook actually locks onto a spoke and holds it in place. So when you get your next tyre lever, it helps you undo the tyre. Try and line the tyre levers up with the spokes, leaving 2 spokes as a distance. Next tyre lever, underneath the tyre. Once again, remove the first one, and you can pretty much use a bit of strength, get the tyre completely off, and one side of the tyre is off with the tube removed. So what I also like to do is get a fresh tube, is always make sure you got a little bit of air in it. So we're just going to use the CO2 to put a little bit of air. That's just to make it easier so you don't pinch the tube when you're putting it in place. So we've got a little bit of air in the tube. We're going to put the valve in first. So locate the valve hole, put that into place. Tube goes in. As you can see, it sits a lot neater into the wheel. And then we just go ahead and make sure we put the tyre in correctly using 2 hands. We're going to work our way around the tyre. Make sure the tube sits nice into the cavity of the rim so you don't pinch it when you put it on. So you shouldn't have to use tyre levers to put them on, but in this case we probably will, because it looks like it's going to be a bit tougher than normal. So as we get closer to the valve, we're just going to use a tyre lever just to assist us putting the tyre back on. So we're going to use 2 hands, putting the tyre on, and that's the tyre on. Pretty quick and simple. Use the rest of our CO2. Going to put that onto the rim and inflate the rest of the tyre. And there we have it. All done. Nice and simple. Got any questions, feel free to give us, any of the staff at Cycling Surgery, a call. Drop in and say g'day. Don't forget, ride on.